Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your ideal customer avatar. So let's hop on to the infographic and show you what this is all about. So there are 6 steps, as you can see. Start 1, gather data and insights, define demographics, explore psychographics, map pain points and goals, locate information, and synthesize into a profile. So start off with the first one. So you got to analyze existing records and conduct surveys and interviews, track market trends. What I mean by this is if you got an existing database of your clients, you can have a look at it and see what stands out, what they are like, who they are, and you'll get lots of very really useful insights as to what your customer looks like. Is it a small business? Is it medium size, enterprise level, or a one-man band? Got to gather as much information about your avatar as possible and get started. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it started and see what you end up with. And as you do all of these, you'll start to get a really good picture as to who you are trying to address and who your ideal customer avatar is. Next, what you want to do is look at the demographics or define them as to what they do. So you've got the age, you've got to be very specific. Is it a 20-year-old, 30-year-old, a retired person, man, woman, with regards to the gender, where they are located, because this is really important. Are they located near where you are based, or are they nationally, internationally? Got to know where your ideal customer is located or lives, so you can target them in that location. Income level. Are they billionaires, millionaires, or low income person? What level of education? Are they very educated or not? What schools or colleges, universities they potentially may have gone to? Obviously, you don't know where they have gone, but you need to think as to where they potentially may have studied, right? And what the occupation is. Are they at a director level? Are they working in an office? Are they self-employed? All these things you need to just make a list. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just make a list and see how you do. Then you need to explore the psychographics. You need to understand their values, hobbies, attitudes, personality traits, and motivations. Once you understand these, you will start to get a really good picture as to what your ideal customer looks like. What hobbies are they? Are they a football fan, basketball, baseball, cricket, golf, right? I know it. You may feel like, okay, what it has got to do with my customer playing golf. Well, once you start to analyze this data, you'll start to see trends and you will start to see things which are linking together. And then you know, okay, this is how I can reach out to them for my business or my product. So when you're creating this, you don't need to have a very complicated template. There are lots of templates out there on the internet you can download, but just a plain Google Doc will do for now. Number 4, in my eyes, well, all of them are very important, but in my eyes is one of the most important one. You got to know the pain points and the goals. What is the challenge, the daily challenge, the frustrations, and what desired outcomes are they looking for? What are they trying to achieve? What are their goals and the aspirations? So they've got this pain point and you got your solution and you got to take them from here to there. And that's what you want to do. And the distance between the problem and the solution is the bridge. So if you can get them over the bridge in the quickest, fastest, and the most economical time, the higher your conversion rate will be and the higher you are going to convert them from being a lead into a paid customer. Then the next one is the locate information sources. Find online platforms where they are hanging out. Are they reading CNN? Are they going to Reddit? Are they going to Facebook or whichever platforms you can think of? See which publications are they reading? What kind of books, magazines, TV shows they are probably watching online or on TV. Which trusted influencers are they following? So if my audience are small business owners, so they are probably following someone like Neil Patel, Russell Brunson, Anik Singhal, and many of those kind of marketeers. So I can then see, okay, how I can reach them using these profiles of these influencers. And also, obviously, the media channels online. There's so many channels and platforms out there. So just try to gather as much information as you can and see what they do and where they are. And then you put all of these together into a profile. So you got to create a name. Just don't create an avatar without a name. Combine them into a named card. Even some, I know many people, and we do as well, put a picture of that avatar. So it could be one of your existing customers' photo, or it could be somebody you say, okay, this is a middle-aged man between 45 to 50. He's a professional and he wears, a suit and a tie to his office. So put a picture like that over here and create a detailed persona card with all this information and give them a name, a face, and a story. And then you take this customer avatar and create your marketing messages, ads, landing pages, video scripts, social media posts, all of that. But this is the key. If you get this right, everything else which follows after this it falls into place. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Truly appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up and a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.